Using two apps at the same time on Android is easier than most people think, and it can really boost your productivity. This feature is called split screen, and it allows you to run two applications side by side so you can multitask without constantly switching back and forth. So, opening the app you want to use as your primary one. This could be anything like YouTube, Chrome, WhatsApp, or any other installed app. Once it is running, go to your recent apps screen. Depending on your phone, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom and holding your finger for a moment, or by tapping the recent apps button, usually shown as a square or three vertical lines at the bottom of the screen. Next, find the app you just opened in the recent list. At the top of that app preview, tap on the app icon. A small menu will appear, and from there select split screen or open in split screen view. When you choose it, the first app will automatically move to the top or side of your screen depending on your device orientation. Now you will see a list of other apps. Simply tap the second app you want to use and it will open in the remaining space. For example, you can watch a video while chatting on WhatsApp or browse the web while taking notes. You can adjust the divider between the two apps by dragging it, giving more space to whichever app you need more. To exit split screen, just drag the divider all the way up or down or close one of the apps.